How to recover deleted Facebook post. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can recover a deleted Facebook post, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to recover a deleted Facebook post, if you happen to delete something from your Facebook profile over here, by simply coming to the profile tab and then you just happen to delete a certain photo from here, and then maybe you want to restore that. To restore that, just come to your profile page, then just tap on the three dots option that you can find here. Then from there you'll just go to this option that says activity log, so tap on activity log. Now when you go to activity log, at the very top you can see various options. One of the options there is recycle bin, so tap on recycle bin, and as you do that you will be able to see any sort of photos, posts, comments, videos that you have deleted, and you can choose to restore them from recycle bin. This way you can actually make a deleted post recovery. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.